Hey everyone, I'm Kelsey from Wearable Whisperer, and today I'm unboxing the Fitbit Sense. So you can see here Fitbit advertised this as a health watch plus ECG app with stress management technology. And on the side of the box, we see it has an up to 6-day battery life. On the back of the box, you can see some of the features. I'll go over those in a different video. And on the other side, you can see that I purchased the soft gold stainless steel case and lunar white infinity band. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We have a little arrow indicator here that we can just pull this and then slide this out, turn this over. And they've got new packaging this year, which is kind of like a book reveal. It's kind of cool, actually. So there's the Fitbit Sense, and then you keep going, and you see the power charging cable and the extra large segment band. So here's the Fitbit Sense. Let's take off the protective covering here. And we see the Fitbit logo barely showing up there. A nice stainless steel bezel. Oh, so there's a little audio alert. Guess it was a maybe turn on, I don't know. But that proves that there is a speaker in this Fitbit. And over here we have the inductive button. So not a physical button, you just press and you get a little haptic feedback that helps with the waterproofing. And there's no buttons on the other side, that's probably the microphone and speaker. And here's the new infinity band. So it's kind of like the Apple Watch where you have the extra piece of the band on the inside instead of on the outside getting stuck on clothes or other things. So let's go ahead and unlink that for now. And here we see on the back a multitude of sensors and some charging cables. It's very reflective, so sorry if it's a little bright. Should have a heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, skin temperature sensor, and then I believe could be also included on this back here, as well as these sides of the bezel is the ECG sensors, if you will. So yeah, I'm going to put that aside for a second. We're going to look at the charging cable. So here on the back, I'll note that it says, if you're new to Fitbit, download the app and create an account. If you have an account, tap your account icon to get set up. I will be doing a how to set up the Fitbit Sense video, so if you want to follow along with me, check that video out in the description below. I'll put a link there. And so we have another proprietary charger from Fitbit. For the first time ever though, this does also fit the Versa 3, so perhaps we'll start having chargers that are the same for the Sense 2 and Versa 4 and so on. But as you can see, it's actually fairly long. It's about, I'm going to say 18 inches. I can measure it later. And it is magnetic. And I learned from my unboxing of the Versa 3 that you line it up, the cable, with the opposite side of the button. And then it's a pretty strong magnetic clasp there. It's not going to come off. So there's that. And then on the other side here we have the extra band. It's a little weird. Put this to the side. So we got the extra large segment of the band and some skinny and tall product information in several languages. So as far as changing the bands here, it's actually pretty easy. You just pull this out. Well, there. You pull it out and then this just easily slides out. It might look harder on the video than it actually is in real life. So again, I'm just going to insert this in. There's a little sound indicating it's in. Give it a little tug, make sure it's not going to come out. And yeah, I think that's much improved over the Versa and Versa 2. Definitely a much better band changing experience. So good job on that, Fitbit. Now we're going to actually put this on. And I'm liking the color. The Lunar white band's real nice. The gold is different. I'll show you real quick. So this is my Versa 3 in soft gold with the midnight blue band. And in case you're deciding between these two, the gold actually is the same, but the stainless steel portion is a little bit shinier than on the Versa 3. So I guess if you're just going by color, probably wouldn't be able to tell much of a difference, but the Sense here in the white is definitely a little shinier because of that stainless steel. Alright, so let's go back to putting this on. And I have to say, I'm not as big of a fan of this infinity band. It's a little harder to initially put on, but I do like how that tucks under. And I do like the band material. It's much improved over the previous Versa and Versa 2 material. So I highly approve of the band material. It's more softer, a little more form-fitting, feels better on my wrist to me than the other Fitbit bands. So yeah, this is the Lunar White version. I really like this color. I think it's a great color. And I'll be doing a how to set up your Fitbit Sense, as well as other how-to videos and comparisons of all the Fitbits in Fitbit's 2020 lineup, comparing them to older versions and showing you how to use all the new features and all that. So if you would like to see more wearable content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps this video and my channel. And thanks so much for watching.